Hey beautiful people, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, why haven't you subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet? And hit that notification bell. Subscribe to all, hit the notification bell, and like, share, comment. Oh my gosh, people, why? It's so easy to do that. It costs nothing, absolutely nothing. It's not even that strenuous. Okay, so now that I got your attention, let's do some French curls. Okay, we're gonna do some French curls. I had so much fun creating this hairstyle, and the curls are so juicy, bouncy. Happy client, happy stylist, you know how it goes. So yeah, so the hair that I use is from the local beauty store. It's called Boss, and it's I'll be doing the natural black and the number 4. Number 4? No, the number 4. Yeah, I'll be doing the number 4 and the TB30 color. So this is the number 4. See how it's juicy and it's lightweight and all of that. No hot water needed. All you need is just some moisture water, regular water, and mousse. If you have any sort of curl activator, that's even better. So the knotless method, I'll be doing client hair's washed and everything like that. She has text locks. I would say text locks hair. It's not natural, fully natural. It's not fully relaxed. So it's in between. So I will say it's a text locks. Okay, and I already separated my braids, and I'll be doing, like I said, the knotless method, which is very extremely painless, easy to maneuver, versatile. You can style any old how you want, ladies. Okay, so just keep watching, and I hope you learn a lot from this video. And for the ends, this is what I did. I just take a little strand of hair, probably couple strands, like 4 to 5 strands. You don't even have to count as long as it's small, as long as it's not much. And I tie it. I tie it like 3 ties, and then I do a couple uh 3 more ties. Okay, so see, I'm already at the top. Went by so fast. We use 4 packs of that brand we use. And if you want them smaller, you can smaller, yeah, so you can use more packs. And if you want them larger, you will need extra packs. Okay. Super easy hairstyle. It's so fast. Okay, and I had so much fun creating this hairstyle. And I think I'll try it on myself as well. Look at the curls, how they're so beautiful and fluffy already. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So yeah, look at this one. I love this color. This color is nice. I like it. The color blend is just perfect. The number 4 color with the T1B over 30. It's perfect, perfect blend. And you know, if you know me, you know I love Vigorel brand, the olive oil, multivitamins, antioxidants, all in that mousse. So it gives the curl a good bounce. You see that? See that? Really good bounce. And I use the water as well. So you know, proper hydration for these curls. Love it so much. Look at the brown and all of that. I love it so much. Love this hairstyle.